Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. In today's cooking tutorial, I'll be teaching you how I make my Palak Gosht, one of my favorite dishes I really enjoy. So let's get started and let me show you how I make this. I've got my pan. I'm going to add in some oil, and then what I've done is I've blitzed 2.5 medium-sized onions, and I'm cooking that on low to medium heat, and I'm going to cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once the onions are nice and brown, what we're going to do is we're going to add in 1 kg of lamb, and then I'm going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. I'm then going to stir that for about 5 minutes and give that a good mix. I'm then going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric powder, I'm then going to add in 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, and I've blitzed that again in the food processor. I'm going to stir that for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm then going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of masala. I'm going to stir that for about 5 to 6 minutes so that all the flavours and masalas are nicely combined. I'm then going to add in boiling hot water from the kettle, just so that we can let the lamb cook on low heat for about 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes and we can see the lamb is cooking nicely on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of dhania powder, 2 teaspoons of zira powder and 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and we're going to give that a good mix. I've then added in 1 teaspoon of black pepper, I'm going to add in some bullet chilies, and I'm just going to slice that in half and add that in to give it that extra kick of flavour and spice. Wow, look at that. It smells absolutely amazing. Then going to add in 750 grams of baby spinach. I'm going to add in a little bit at a time, just place a lid on top, and then what happens is that spinach will cook nicely in there. Now remember to check the salt while you are cooking this, and if you feel it's less, then please do add in. I'm now going to cook this on low to medium heat for another 10 to 12 minutes, and just stir as you are going along. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes since we've been cooking this, and as you can see, the spinach is nicely cooked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in half teaspoon of garam masala, give that a good mix, and let that cook on low to medium heat for another 5 minutes. There we have it, my very own Palak Gosht recipe. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my video today. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share, and stay tuned for my new recipes.